My name's Mad Dan. There's Marty. This is the Angler's Grog Review. Had a haircut. The woman at the hairdress, she goes, your hair's real thick on the sides and the back, but pretty thin on top. Yeah, good on you, lady. All right, what's going on? What do we got? Got a beverage to do. There's the glass. Marty, what do we got? What's this? What do we got, Marty? What's this one? Okay, all right. What's that? Okay. Bloody Carlsberg. What's this one? Carlsberg Elephants. It is a premium strong. 7.2% on the dot. It's a, what size bottle? 330ml bottle. Okay. Yeah, it says here, pale gold in colour. Elephant is rich in multi-character with a hint of caramel. Yum. Balanced by a satisfyingly dry bitterness. Once enjoyed, never forgotten. Okay, let's have a look here. Bloody bees, get out of here. Bloody mongrels. Alright. Now the old Carlsberg Elephant. That seems like a bit of a unit. Marty, check out the old pop test, mate.
Oh, my personal favorite.
A bit of a unit. Let's go. Pop test. Oi! Okay. That went flying. That's an 8. I like that. A few bubbles. It's got its bloody engines going. Let's go. Alright. Carlsberg's. Looks bloody nice. Okay. Let's check this one out. Yeah. Carlsberg, that looks real nice. Don't mind the look of that beverage. Okay, Marty, have a smell. Come on, mate. Here. Yep, straight into it. He likes it. That's the way, Marty. All right. Let's see. The old Carlsberg. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Give it a taste. You're right. It's like a sharp European bitter. It's got those crazy bloody European hops. You can taste that straight away. You can also bloody check out how much alcohol that one's got in it. It's got quite a burn. I like that. I think they're pretty expensive, but you know, I only buy one bloody beer at a time, so, you know, it doesn't break the bank. Or the old pocket, for that matter. Don't really have much money. You gonna get that one? Hey? That's it. Oh, jeez. Jeez, he likes it. Bloody hell. Marty. Christ. Here. Come on, mate. Come on. Go on. That's it. Have a look at it. Go on. Just get stuck in, mate. Yeah, good on you, Marty boy. That's the way. Come here. Alrighty. Give it a go. Bloody jungle gas. I like that. Carlsberg, Elephants, strong bloody beer. 7.2%. That's nice. It not too bloody crazy strong, but geez, a couple of those get you get you going. Big fan. Carlsberg 7.2 elephant bloody percentages. That gets a 39 out of 42. Thanks very much for watching. Tell your friends. Mm.